Well, even when Ned was a little bitty baby, his nose covered most of his face. And as he grew to manhood, it spread out all over the place.
I was just calling because I live down the street from you, and your daughter come to my house today and she kicked my dog.
When everything is wrong, I'll come talk to you. You make things alright when I'm feeling blue. You are such a blessing, and I won't be messing with the one thing that brings light to all my darkness. You're my best friend, and I love you, and I love you, yes I do. So hold me when I'm here, love me when I'm wrong, hold me when I'm scared, and love me when I'm gone. Everything I am and everything in me wants to be the one you wanted me to be. I'll never let you down, even if I could. I'd give up everything, if only for your good. So hold me when I'm here, love me when I'm wrong, you know me when I'm scared, you won't always be there. So love me when I'm
Did you guys all want to bang with him at the end? Yeah. Yeah? Alright.
love me when I'm gone. When your education X-ray cannot see under my skin, I won't tell you a damn thing that I could not tell my friends. Sing me to sleep, sing me to sleep. I'm tired and I want to go to bed. Sing me to sleep, sing me to sleep, and then leave me alone. Don't try to wake me in the morning, 'cause I will be gone. Don't feel bad for me, I want you to know. Deep in the cell of my heart, I will feel so glad to go.
Are you guys happy if I start?
Yeah, go.
Sing me to sleep, sing me to sleep. I don't want to wake up on my own anymore. Sing to me, sing to me.
I
Eastern Nettles.
Eastern Nettie.
How I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. And have we found the same old fears? Wish you were here.
This is a very good exercise to just express your emotions, you know what I mean?
That's excellent.
Very
That
good.
lasts forever. So
Yeah.
yeah.